Yo, yo. Oh, let me just position myself over here. Let me fix this. What is up? Happy Monday. Back at it on gold. Back at it on gold. See what we can do here. See what we can do here on gold. All right, so London Open is at 5 o'clock. Yep, we just hit 5 o'clock. London Open, so this is the first candle coming out of London Open. So I'm going to start with some top-down analysis and and go from there. So I'll start at the daily. The daily. Very interesting, the last 3-day candle prints. Small body, bearish, rejection / doji in a row like that. Just shows there's a lot of indecision. What up, history? What up? I love you. Love you. Love you. All right. 4 hourly. 4 hourly. A lot of people have waited for gold to hit this key area, which is just hit in pre-London. I know a lot of people are waiting for gold. Actually, let me bring up Zoom so I can do a bit of drawing here. I'll show you what a lot of people are waiting for, and there's going to be a lot of liquidity, so I feel like price will kind of gravitate towards this position and just take everyone out and then do its own thing. So let me do something here. Check this out. See this right here? This area right here is a fucking... Everyone's looking at that, right? Everyone's looking at that in gold. This big wicked out kind of rejection area. And if you can see here, there's actually a mid range that we've broken past in pre-London. Right here. Tapped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like it keeps tapping off. And if you can notice here, we actually broke through this area, and now we're kind of coming back up and doing something. So let's just let gold do its little dance and see what we can do here. But what I'm going to do, I've been on the charts for a while now, shows more bearish momentum, to be honest. I have trend line moving down. Yeah, it is. It is kind of edging slowly down. I agree. But we'll just see what we can do here. So I'm going to mark out some key support and resistance zones. Obviously, right here, boom. There's some new support that's been formed here. But I'm actually going to bring it to here. I'm bringing it to here where these 15 candles closed. And then that other one wick down. How far is that wick? Fuck, bro, that's 60 pips. That's a 60 pip wick on the 15. Did it close on the hourly or anything? No, it doesn't make sense. Yeah. Wow, yeah, 50 pip whip. Wow, 50 pip whip. 50 pip whip. 50 pip wick. Crazy over here. And then let's find a resistance area, like a really important resistance. This is actually kind of looking juicy for buyers. I might literally enter a buy in a second. I might really enter a buy at the break of this week here. Maybe. The only thing that I'm looking at is this previous 15 closed with a smaller body than the one before. But we've got London volume. Let me use my brain right here real quick. So this is the thing with trading, you have to think real quick, don't you? Alright, I'm in. Oh, your buy request for 40 contracts was not sent because insufficient funds. Bro, what the hell? 40? I don't understand. This is weird. 40. can it be insufficient funds, motherfuckers? I got $15,000 there. What am I doing wrong here? What am I doing wrong here? See, this is the thing. Ever since bruh, I just missed out on this trade because of that. Ever since FTMO is, wow. That's painful. Ever since FTMO have switched their Australian broker, they just made your boy miss out on a fucking clean buy. Ouchie. Very ouchie. Very ouch. Damn, I'm already in like 10 pips profit if I took that. I'll probably take partials right here. Welcome to trading. Welcome to trading. Anyway, let me do a bit more analysis here. I'm on the 1 hour here. Yeah, there's not much to see. I don't understand that. I took a 40 pip, 40 lot size trade today. I know, because I lost and it hurt. What the flip? Bro, look at this. I just missed out on the fucking cleanest buy. What's up, little Domingo? What is up, my dude? I just missed out on a buy because my platform, for whatever reason, said I had insufficient funds. And now I'm watching it go on without me. Welcome to trading. Hey, you just gotta fucking watch it leave now. It's too late. It's too late to apologize. I'm just gonna black my screen here for a second. Just restart C Trader. Restart C Trader for a sec, because that's just weird. Oh, damn. All right, I'm gonna get over it. I'm gonna cry later. It's retesting. I have two options: buy at 2645 or sell at 2639. Ooh, I'll start this back up and have a look at that. I don't know why I'm blacking my screen. I really have nothing to hide except a bunch of fucking, yeah, there's nothing really special going on here. Yeah, wow. Do you ever miss a trade and you kind of want it to come back and like be in an area where it would have tagged you out if you were in the trade? That's kind of how I'm feeling. Oh, you're in a buy, man. I'm jealous. I missed my opportunity. I would have been, fuck, man. I would have been out of the trade already. It moved up 20 pips. I would have been in and out. It would have been $150 richer. Jeez Louise, as the old saying goes. I'm in a buy. Where's your TP, Domingo? Where is it? Profit. Man, I had to act real quick. Jumped on the stream and just quickly seen this setup. I was sort of watching it before the stream. Oh, you just entered. Okay. It looks like it wants to come tap up into this previous resistance. So I'm gonna have to put my next resistance zone up here, to be honest. To be brutally honest, around here. Mine is at 2650. Take profit at 2650. Oh, yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Let me see what happens here if I try to do a 50 lot. See, I'm allowed to do it now, I think. I'm allowed to do it now. I received a signal at the same time. Ooh, signals. Signals are scary. Again, do you know... I'm not trying to bash anyone, but do you realize with these signal groups, what they do is it just, obviously this is a major area of rejection. They've just gone, oh, well, it's on that area. It's either going to go up or down. Send the signal out. Bye, everyone, bye. So, yeah, FTMO, you really fucked me there. That was a clean trade. I would have been financially free forever just from that one trade. Yeah, so I made a new rule for myself today. I'm never trading Asia session again. I'm sticking just to London Open. I've had a bit of success in the last couple of weeks with Asia session, but it's not worth it. It fucks my head too much. There's too much for me to focus on. If I jump on the stream and I can focus just on London Open, it's when I trade the best. Yeah, wow. I just don't know why I wasn't able to get that trade. Oh well. What can you do? What can you do? So right now, I guess I'll have to wait. Let's wait it out and just see what kind of shit starts to form here. I'm interested to see how it reacts off this level. I'll actually put another support level here, resistance level. Because it does look like we're kind of edging our way down. It could bounce off this area and then start to come back down, and I could look for a sell. Yeah. But I'll have to wait and see here. We'll have to wait and see. London Open on a Monday. Be a bit cautious on Monday. The markets always move a bit... I don't know. I feel like it moves a bit awkward on a Monday, especially when we had NFP on Friday. This is a big NFP drop. 250 pips. Pippies. Alright, so I would have took 90% up here and then just been tagged out at break even now. Cool. Well, see, sometimes you don't have to be in a trade. You can just watch it go and just make a mental trade. Like, yeah, that was in my playbook, and that trade went well. If I was in that trade, that went well. Cool. I just mentally took that trade. One thing though is that this is a support level, so chances are it'll bounce back up to 2660. 266. Bro, that's a big fucking bounce. That's a big bounce. I don't know. Who knows? The way it's like edging its way down, it makes me questions and stuff. But if there was no crazy wars and shit going on, I would be like more in a sell bias. But if you look at this zone, we're just being in this big consolidation area. When it breaks out, that'll be very interesting. This is all just consolidation through here. But if you notice what gold does, it just consolidates and then breaks out. Consolidates and then breaks out. Oh, where did I go? Where did I go? Oh. Ah. I'll be black. I won't have my vision. You won't be able to see me for a second here. My phone overheated. Bitch phone. Sorry, I'll be back on in a sec. Whoa. Technical issues over here. It's probably gonna glitch out again, but I'll use my other phone when it does. Alright, what else have we got going on here? Just gonna have to wait, I guess. Have to wait and see how this pans out. Be interested to get something like this start to form. Get some resistance. Let's say the 30-minute closes around 2645, it'll go up 2645, 26. If it closes around there, it'll go up. Like around where it is right now. Around where it is right now is 2645. It's a very bold statement, Mr. History. Guess we'll have to wait and see. The 30-minute closes up there. We've also got to look at it like this. If we are moving downwards, what are we getting? We're getting some higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Oh, sorry, higher highs, lower highs, lower lows. You know, if this one starts to stall around here, then we're getting a new lower high. Could that mean that it would then turn into a new lower low as well? You know, something like this. And I would look to execute a sell around here if I see the right type of thing. The 1 hour body is big. What's the 4 hour doing? 4 hour looks a bit rejecty. But that can all change, that's for sure. That's the thing about the 4 hour, like it can look like this after 3 hours, and on the 4th hour it literally turns into this. You know what I mean? So it's like, take it with a grain of salt. Or alternatively, it can just look like this, like, yeah. So 8 minutes for this 15. High volume time. Yeah, 4 hour can definitely make a big move up still, that's for sure. How many times have we seen that? Abe Sood, what is up, my brother? What is up? Glad to have you on the stream, my man. Just checking out gold. I missed a buy position here because for whatever reason FTMO said I didn't have enough funds, so I had to reset C Trader. It seems to be working now. So now we're just waiting. Waiting for an opportunity to strike. Abhay, is that how you say it, Abhay? I am good, brother. I am good. I'm feeling good on a Monday. I'm feeling ready to smash this week of trading and just stick to the rules, stick to the plan. Do you ever notice that you find the most success in trading when you just simply stick to your rules? Trading's so fucking simple but so difficult because really all you have to do is just stick to your rules. If someone said, "Hey man, if to make profits in trading, all you gotta do is just stick to these rules. That's it. See you later." And you're like, "Oh, that's pretty easy. I can do that." Oh, can you? Oh, can you? Can you really stick to a strict set of rules under an extremely stressful environment? Really? Have you shown that outside of the markets? Have you shown that in your day-to-day life? Not really. Well, what the fuck do you think you'll do it in trading for? So that's what I'm here to do, is just to stick to the plan, stick to my rules, and don't deviate. Don't deviate. So yeah, I'll be curious if this, if we can tap back up into this resistance up here. If we start to reject kind of off this zone here, that'll be interesting for sells, because this, you got to remember this area here where NFP kind of peaked, dropped all the way down to, it's kind of left naked. When in gold do you see something like this just left alone? It always gravitates to it in some regard, just to dance around it, just to have a little sticky beak, see what's going on down here. So we'll have to wait and see. But regardless, I'll just act upon whatever the market gives me. But man, I missed a beautiful trade here. That was a real shame. But I took it in my mind. I took the trade in my mind. Because I'm a wizard. Wizard Harry. These are the two areas where I'll be really looking to execute someone. So. I just got to black the screen for a sec. More super high level secretive stuff going on. Calling the liquidity provider to pump gold when I buy. So what I might be looking at, looking at is, what do we got? 2 minutes left of this candle. If we close something like this, I'd really just want to be looking at weakness in the market in order to potentially look for sells. Right, something like this, and then look at taking the sell there. And then maybe a breakout as well, although this area, no, you know what, this, ladies and gentlemen, is a no trade zone. No trade zone over here. In red. Red as in danger, danger. $50 seconds for this one. Is that the... Oh, this is a 30-minute as well. Strong 30-minute closure. Textbook trade for me that I missed, which I'm still salty about. I wonder if I could send that footage to FTMO and be like, look at this, give me a $3 million account because I would have passed the challenge with this trade. What do you mean, history? What did you do? See, isn't this interesting? It kind of closed just below this 30-minute support area here. I was watching that. I was curious to see how it would respond around this area. Right here is a support area for the 30-minute. And if you look, it closed right kind of... It didn't really break through it. Intriguing. Which could be some sort of indication of like this is the new higher low that's been created here. Sorry, lower high. This is a new lower high. This was the previous, this is this one's. And then could be have some sort of rejection now. I don't know. Buy at 2645, curious how it continues, yeah. We'll see if we can break through this zone and actually close, because we're going to need a 15 or a 30-minute closure to get actual, for me, sorry, to get confirmation that it wants to continue. Because I could see it could just spike up you know, and then just reject without a closure. I'll be curious to see if a red candle gets printed here. Or a small body bullish followed by a red candle. That'd be amazing. Four hours leaving a wick of doom. I wonder if it'll flip bullish. That'll be quite interesting on the 4 hour. Looks like it's about to. Yeah, wow. I still can't believe I was freaking got ripped off from that buy position. Damn. Oh wow, a lot of volume, man. Lot of volley. A lot of volleyball and yo. I didn't get a chance to message you because I'm using my normal phone to and your secret Oh no, I can hear you now, I think.
Yeah.
I think so.
How are we going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Good.
Excellent, excellent.
I've already taken an L, so
Yeah, I took L as well today. Wait, 1 sec. I'm just gonna hear to make sure it sounds normal. So what did you take the L on?
gold just before.
Oh,
Mm.
buy or I'm assuming a sell position.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. What's my name? Don't get too down.
No. No. Yeah, market's a bit confusing today. I'm not sure if I'll enter another one, if I'm going to be honest.
Yeah, well, on Monday for starters, and then also after NFP. Oh, look at this! I was in a buy position, and then fuck, I could have been in this. I could be a millionaire right now. I went to enter a position, and for whatever reason, so I had insufficient funds.
Really?
Yeah, and I was like, "What do you mean I have insufficient funds?"
Oh, weird. Hold on. I need to know which lighting is. That feels better.
Yes, audio's good. Hello, Ella. How is it? Oh, yes. Oh, Aru, what up? What up? What up?
Who? Oh, high history.
So Ella's in the Ella's feeling the reds.
I got my nails done today, so feeling fresh.
Oh, feeling fresh.
Hmm.
New nails, new profits.
Yeah. New nails, new losses. All gone. I'm literally back to where I was before they migrated my account, so.
That's all right.
Oh well.
And what was the reason for the loss? Do you know?
Probably entering too soon, to be honest.
When you say too soon, you mean you
It-
just
it,
didn't have
like-
enough confirmation?
Well, it took liquidity, but it obviously wanted to keep moving up and grab whatever else there is, but yeah. It like moved down a little bit and then it went back up. But I closed it early, so it wasn't the full loss, but still.
Yeah, that's good then.
Yeah.
That's good then.
Still sucks, but it's fine. I've been thinking of buying that simulator because I think I definitely need to just do some sim work on the weekends.
No, can I off stream suggest something? And I promise it's not anything about changing anything, but it's just something that I think will help.
Yeah. Just message it on Instagram or TikTok or whatever.
Yeah, I'll give you a call.
The advice is give up.
Definitely not. The sim's good. The sim's good. I can see how it can be a trap as well. When I first came across sim, I thought it was the greatest thing in the man, but now I'm like, it's a bit of a trap. It's a little bit of a trap.
Yeah.
It's the same concept of paper trading where it's like, because yeah, a lot of it is mental. And a lot of the trades that you'll naturally take on a sim, you wouldn't take in real life. And I don't know.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
It can give you a false, and then it can give you like this false confidence, and you come into the market and you're like, God damn it. I have a master on the sim. I'm undefeated on the sim, bruh.
Yeah. I'm thinking maybe I just need to take like even a month off and just do forward testing.
Well, what I was going
Doing
to
it
say,
on YouTube.
yeah. Actually, no, I'll talk to you after.
How was your weekend?
My weekend. I forget what. I don't know if I've done anything.
Can't have been that exciting.
Yeah, nothing of excitement happened. All right, so I'm looking for now. I'm gonna need a closure above here now before I think about doing anything. Because all through here is a no trade zone for me. It's just mush. There's just shit all here.
Yeah, see, if I were to take anything else, I need to just, I don't know which liquidity it would grab because it's just flying past all the areas that I would have taken from. So I'm kind of like, I don't even know if I'm going to look to enter anything at this stage because it's just hugely consolidated. Like there's no secure like trend really.
I don't know if you've seen on stream, but when I first started, yeah, fuck. Literally right here was where I entered to buy. And look at it.
Yeah, I saw.
Did you? I was like, what the fuck's going on? No.
Yeah.
The pain. Yeah, because I'm down 63 for the day. And I was like,
I'm down. I've kind of, it might sound bad, but I'm very tempted to just not be afraid and just start doing 1% trades because I've held onto this account for so long and I don't know how much longer mentally I can hold on to it.
do you know what is so interesting that you say that? Is that today when I lost my trade and I went on a bit of a mini tilt mentally, and this happened in the morning. I've had the whole day and I've done journaling. I wrote down, but I've covered a couple pages of just thoughts, and because after I took the L, I was saying in my head, you know what, man, like you've been on this challenge for like this is the 4th week. Yeah, you're making progress, but it's slow, and it's like it's mentally getting to me a bit, like, you know, being in this challenge, and it's like I think I should just up the lot sizes and try and just smash through this because, you know, it's a challenge. You're meant to finish it so you can, then when I finish it, then I'll drop back and be conservative. And
you'd be safe to do that.
No, but the reality is the reason why I thought that, and what I want to, the point I want to make is, for me personally, I'm doing this challenge conservatively, and I believe you are as well, not only to pass it, but to prove to yourself that you have the ability to pass it with proper risk management, right? That's the whole concept. It's really, because even when you do get the account, you're just going to blow it anyway unless you've taught yourself and embedded these fucking principles in. And it's like, I understand completely how you feel, but I think if you took a day and just did some journaling and just got your thoughts out on paper, you would come back to that neutral state and realize, man, I need to just keep going, and I need.
I've had it for 3 months.
I know, it's exhausting.
So draining. Like, I keep going. Like, I'm at such a break-even stage, and it's literally been like that the whole time. To go just back and forward between the same sort of areas, it's just like so frustrating.
I get it completely. Dan, if your setup is good, you can go with a high lot. Yes, I agree with that history. But even with that being said, the lot size still wouldn't be something that would exceed, if it went against me, it would hurt me too much. It would go below 1% per trade. Go more than 1% per trade in the red. But yeah, Ella, if you're thinking like that, I completely understand why you are. And I would definitely suggest from an outside perspective to just take a breather, write some shit down on paper.
Yeah.
Aru, that is the worst advice humanly possible. Just full port and pray. Just full port and pray. The reason why I'm going on this...
I've been tempted.
Yeah, I bet you are. The reason
I did that one. Sorry.
Yeah, I've done it before. The reason why I'm going on this rant is because we're all here to be consistently profitable over the long run. And doing what we're doing now is embedding them skills within the mind to be able to do that. If we find ourselves in tricky situations and then go, man, I just want to go up, let me just fucking up the lot size and just get to where I need to be. It's kind of like, man, I'm just trying to avoid pain. Ellie, you would have read about this a lot with Tom Hogarth about the idea of avoiding pain.
Oh, well, the video that I was just watching was like the end of the video was like, I wrote it all down about avoiding pain.
It's a human instinct to want to avoid pain. It's the reason why we are where we are as a species. But those same principles that are embedded into us don't necessarily treat us well on the charts.
It was like letting your loss run, avoiding pain, taking profits early to avoid pain, reducing your stake to avoid pain. What else?
Yep.
Or increasing your stake when you're losing. Stop trading when you made your points. Trading without real conviction. And then he said you need to accept that everything you do when profitable hurts. And if you're not, I don't know how that is, but it's coming from it. You know?
Well, what he says there, what everything you do when hurts, even when you are making profit, is because when I secure a profit, guess what the chart keeps doing? It moves more. Yeah. And what is that feeling? Oh man, I could have got more. No matter what, there's always something. I could have got more. I left profits on the table. Damn, there's always something. Alright, it's good. I did that made 10K in a payouts from Top Step. Now I'm using that money to buy 5 accounts and trade properly now. Terrible advice, Arul. Because here's the thing. Again, you're not building the skill set in the appropriate way, because for you to make 10K in one trade means that you also risked blowing that account in one trade, right? So you're playing a deadly game.
Yeah.
You're playing a deadly game.
I mean, to be fair, the profit that I got from that account was from revenge trading, and I bought the account. I didn't pass it myself.
Yeah.
So.
And that there's obviously a component of luck that's always going to be there. That's why, my 9-year-old niece could come in and press buy and sell and probably make a decent profit.
Yeah, probably.
But it's about quite building that skill set long term. You could have made more, but is that your plan long term? ? This is a skill to build for years, to build for life with this, not gamble. Yeah, 100%. It's a skill set. Remember, gambling, we might as well just go to the casino and put it all on blackjack, type shit. Trading is a skill set. That's what it is. It's a skill set. And like any skill set, you've got to practice in the appropriate way in order to build the right technique. And think of what a tennis player has to do to become the best tennis player. He has to train, he has to do all the right shit to build the right technique to be the fucking best.
I've kind of started seeing it as a uni course for me. You don't learn your uni skill in a year, so it takes time.
Yep.
It takes a couple years, 3 years.
Yep.
Courses, trading's like that. It's just a skill. You gotta learn. Yeah. Because
ultimately, we're trying to make more than the people or the career that the uni course is probably going to get you.
Yeah. Well, I'm doing business, so if I do it properly, the earning amount is infinite, really.
Alright, I have to use my shit camera.
Oh, your camera's off.
Yeah, it's on now. Alright. Yeah, I just fixed, so my other good camera died. Now I'm using my shit one, but oh well.
I've got a lot of phone issues.
I've got a lot of issues in general. Huh?
You say your phone overheated before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so a little while ago we were looking at this 4 hour and it was a red candle. Now I just said, man, anything could happen that last hour. It's just completely flipped bullish. If we get a closure above this zone here, that'll be very interesting. I'll be looking for a retest, for a continuation. But when it gets up here, I'm going to need a red candle to be printed next to it, because that is called support. And once support's formed, then I'll look for confirmation for buyers. I decided to I'm no longer going to be trading Asia.
I heard that. You shouldn't have been doing it anyways.
Well, the thing is, I was having a decent amount of success, but it was putting unnecessary stress on me.
Yeah.
And I was also falling victim to other people that I look up to in the industry that have the ability to trade multiple sessions.
Yeah.
So I did a bit of comparison, and it was, I had to be real with myself that I am comparing myself a little bit, and I'm not them essentially. And I find the most, like if I question, when do I find the most success? When do I feel the best? And when can I lose and be okay with it? It's always when I can do it on stream.
Yeah.
So that's what I'll stick to. And stream is London.
Much on stream, realistically.
Yeah, no, it's been good. Because I'm like conservative. I'm professional with it. It's all the degenerate shit happens in the dark.
Afterwards.
Yeah, the after hours. Behind the scenes.
Yeah. Not so much.
I'm really happy that my buy at the start of the stream didn't work. I would have been up 80 pips. Nah. I would have taken partials there, and then I would have got taken out at BE. But yeah, it's so interesting to hear you say that you're thinking about upping the lot size, because I went through the exact same thoughts today after losing. I was like, man, I've been on this fucking challenge for ages. Like, let me just, I think if you took a bit of time, you would change. Go ahead, sorry.
Trade, but I'm glad I didn't, because that would have been an even bigger loss. So
Yeah.
would have been a double loss. Rather than just a little bit. So it's not too bad.
Like, how much % have you got left to play with on the account?
I'm back at where I was before at 188. So
$8,000 you got?
yeah.
Yeah, nice.
But I'm only risking 25%. Which is 1,000, so yeah, I think when I have a couple good trades, I get a bit too confident, and then I don't wait enough, and that's why I consistently lose afterwards, because I get too cocky and impatient. Yeah.
So London's opened up and just skyrocketed. Interesting.
I have room for one more trade today. My max is 2 trades. And
yeah. See if something nice presents.
I'm not sure if it will, but then I've also got I've got so many hours left to look for something.
4 minutes, so we need this to either break above or below. We need something. We need it to at least reach up here. That would be ideal.
4-hour hold is just so consolidated. I hate it.
What is the 4 hour?
It's just like, there's no clear like uptrend or downtrend. It's just it just keeps bouncing in a range.
I think it kind of makes sense. Like, so obviously Asia, it's pushed down two red candles. The next one came all the way down, tapped into this area and just rejected off.
Yeah.
And now we could be trying to break up and fill this 4 hour wick up here as well. potentially.
Yeah, I'm not gonna look for buys. I like clear trends. But then again,
Well, you took a sell. This wasn't a
that's
clear
saying I
trend.
took a sell and it wasn't really a clear trend, so.
What, you paid the price, so maybe, yeah.
I like seeing at least like three bearish candles for me to, and there was 3 bearish candles on the 4 hour when I did take the sell, so.
Yeah.
The way it is now, it's like I wouldn't look for a buy because it's just, yeah. My strategy overalls.
Mm.
And then GU, yeah, I can't look for anything on that either.
GU, did GU break?
Still on its way down by the looks of it. Yeah.
Oh, look at you, Jay.
I might wait till 4
This-
hours closed.
There's huge naked area here on UJ.
UJ. USD.
Yep.
Who's looking at UJ?
Me.
Oh. Why?
Because I'm a degenerate. It looks juicy.
Mm.
One and a half minutes for the hour 30 and 15 closure. See if we can break through this support resistance. But yeah, crazy. Did you see NFP on Friday? Dropped 250 pips. It's like, boom. But then it came all the way back up, fucking nearly 400 pips. Wild.
Very wild. Very wild.
Wild stuff. Oh, looks like it's pushing through. Excellent. That's what we wanted. Or at least test it.
So I just you can't predict the movements with gold because it's just literally goes anywhere.
Unless you pull out the crystal ball.
Yeah. Let me get my crystals out and we will predict the market.
Do some astrology trading. I love that. Like on TikTok or something, you'll scroll past astrology traders.
I've never seen it.
Oh, I've got to show you next time I see it. Top 3 most profitable traders are astrology traders.
Are they actually?
No.
Oh.
I'm sure they would proclaim to be.
Yeah, I mean that'd be pretty cool to be honest.
Capricorn and the stars aligned. Click buy. On a full moon, full port.
Yeah.
Like, fuck.
Big profits.
Yeah.
Big profits.
Okay, so we tapped into this resistance. Didn't really break through. Now I would look for potential sells. I'd need another 30 minute. I'd need another 30 minutes. 15 minute to form like that with a smaller body this time. And then I would need a bigger engulfing red and the next one to test. Take the sell there and take profits there. That's what I'm looking for. I do question, like, because there's clear resistance here, along here, but there's this random fucking candle that's kind of floating up in the air, skip down a lot. Is that showing on your? Let me look at TradingView if that's there.
What time frame is that?
It's a 15. Yeah, it's there on TradingView, but it looks weird as fuck.
What's that gap for?
I guess it's just volume. No, but that wouldn't make sense because it closed up there, and that means it dropped all the way back down here and opened up. I don't know, man.
That's like a little. Oh, it's like a chip gap.
Wait, was that the session open? Was that might have been? Yeah, that was the session open. Whoop, that's right. Interesting. So it's weird because I could look at this now two ways. I could go, it closed above support, which could be here. Look, this one closed above, but because there's this floating candle here, I'm like, I might have to kind of disregard that a little bit, I think. It gapped down during the close. Yeah, so this is session open here on Monday morning. Look, see, it skips from 6:45 to 8.
Isn't it Monday?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, like today, Monday open.
No, my brain just feels like, I don't know, I feel like it was later in the week today for some reason.
Oh, real?
Yeah. It's really weird.
So I need to see how this 15 prints here. I need to wait to see how this one pans out. This is at a very key point, and it's going to tell a story.
Did you do much trading prep on the weekend?
Yes, a lot.
What did you do?
It's top secret.
Top secret.
I just had a few more epiphanies about trading. That's the main thing. And just did my journaling, and I noticed a few things with my strategy that I need to. It actually helped me avoid a loss today, actually, because like one of my strategies for entries are a break below a support level and then anticipating a continuation. So here, for instance, I got this candle. One sec. I got this candle here that closed below this support level here. The next one wicked up, and then anticipating a continuation down, I'll take a sell there. And what it did, it started to come down. I didn't take my position yet, and then it closed with a small body here. And in the past, I will wait for this one to wick up and then continue down and take the sell here. And it did that, it wicked up, but I didn't take the sell because this previous one closed a small body, and I've noticed that it's obviously an indication of volume dying down. So I avoided a loss there because I learned from the past that when I see this, don't take the position, just wait. So
like sellers dying down?
The volume, selling pressure's dying down.
Yeah, right.
And I took a loss last week because of that, and then I journaled on the weekend and I realized that and then it came to get today again. I was like, nope, I've seen this before, and it helped me avoid a loss, which was pretty good. But
I keep forgetting you've been doing this a whole year longer than I have. So.
Yeah. Yes, indeed. My tip, look at the 15 second to the left of where the big reversal. Do you mean the 15 minute My tip, look at the 15s to the left of where the big reversal is. Look at the 15s to the left of where the big reversal is. Which ones exactly? Because there's a whole bunch of shit here. That's all I know. What do you mean, Aru? And then another epiphany I had on the weekend. So this one's interesting. Well, it's not interesting, but I just realized how much trading is just a direct correlation to real life. Like, because you know when you take a shitty trade, you're actually falling victim to like a sense of desire. Like, oh, and I want to be in the trade. I want to make money. I want to feel that good feeling.
Yeah.
And in real life, like addictions or desires kind of are blanketed by like the desire to like kind of feel something. When you like go out for drinks, you know it's probably not in your best interest, but you know it's gonna be fun. You're gonna feel some shit, and but you know later on you're gonna pay the price. And just like I don't know, I just had like this weird epiphany of like how interconnected trading is to that exact same principle.
Yeah. I guess that's why you got to be in your best mind to do it every day.
100%. That's like and that was another thing why I'm stopping to trade Asian, because before I jump on this stream, I genuinely, not even just saying it, like I'll take 10 minutes to breathe. I'll do a couple of breathing exercises, look at all my rules, look at my losses, wins, do a couple of visualizations. And I just don't do that when I do the Asian session. I just don't jump in.
Yeah.
It's like, nah, process is key.
Yeah.
Here we go. Where you can see the structure. I don't know if 15 second is viable. Oh, bro, I can't access 15 second.
15 seconds.
Or can you do it on? Oh, hang on. Let's
That's
see if I can.
That's like binary sort of trading, that small time frame.
Yeah, I have no idea. I can't do 15 second on C Trader. Bro, look at this. Look at gold just being like, yeah, see you later, bro. I'm out of here.
Yeah, this is why I don't want to look for entries. It's just like so uncertain.
It hit my TP for the day. I'm done for the day. Oh, history. What a G. History, the last couple of times you jumped on this stream, you're like, man, I had a rough day. So it's good to see that you crushed a good trade here. Good shit, man. I would have loved to have been in this as well, but I just didn't. Well, I had a signal, but I couldn't execute for some reason. I don't trade off the 15 second, but I use the 15 second levels inside the main levels. Helps with better entries in bigger zones. Ooh. 15 second. Feel sorry for you, Dan. That was a nice setup. Bro, did you see that shit? Hey. Oh well. Oh well. Looks like gold's just like, you know what? Fuck everyone. I'm just getting out of here.
Yeah.
It's just like, see you later, bro. I've had enough of everyone's shit. Yeah, one thing I changed today is wait until the right. Yep. I think if all traders could say what's one of the biggest things that's best for improving is just waiting. Just wait till the right opportunity to strike arises. Don't jump the gun. Strike when the opportunity's there. Gold, what do you reckon, bucko? To the next zone.
It's just such an ugly chart.
It's all perspective.
Yeah.
I like
just,
it. It's all perspective. You're looking at the 1 minute probably. That's why it looks probably way different.
No, I'm looking at your one.
Oh, how does that look ugly? This looks stunning.
No, not that. All the rest of it is just like consolidated. All the big wicks and just like the uncertainty. It's just not really moving anywhere. It's just, just not like it. I'm not a fan. It's different when it's like, because you're like support and resistance. There was a lot of like really good points there, but for me, it's just like a shit show.
Yeah. Oh.
There's a lot of points of liquidity, but it's just like it just flies through it, or it just doesn't hit it for me.
Yeah, and mentally I'm feeling great. It shows what trading is about. It's not about the money, it's about analyzing and entering the right moment. Yep. And mental clarity is key to being able to execute at the right time and the right moment, for sure. Mental clarity. You know, in instances like this where goals is pushing and hasn't really given you an opportunity to do anything, the best thing to do is to wait. Wait for support to be formed and then catch it on the way back down or something. Because it's so easy right now. I'm looking at this and I can tell that there's a part of me that'd be like, oh man, FOMO. But then I also know, you know what? At some point it has to slow down and either come back or create support to allow an opportunity to take a buy and jump in on the action. Because here's the thing, gold could do this and move, how many pips is that? Let's have a look. 200 pips and then just keep fucking moving. It doesn't have to do shit. It can do whatever it wants. So we'll just wait.
But I'm like looking and it's like, even if I was to go for a buy.
Just wait.
No, but I'm looking at before. I'm like, if I was looking at buys, would there have been confirmation for me? But it's also like, I wouldn't have been looking at buys because it wasn't my buys. So
yeah. It is just so funny because the 4 hour, literally half an hour ago, was sitting like that, and I literally said it can just completely do this, and that's exactly what it's doing. It's just fucking doing whatever it wants.
Yep.
Gold's a rebellious teen. Just does whatever it wants. So I'm creating some new zones here now because the zones have changed. There's no point paying attention to what's going on down here, and just have to wait. Yeah, very interesting. Oh, 30 seconds for this 15 to close. Getting a big wick here. Smaller body.
I have no bias for gold right now, to be honest.
Just wait for something to form.
Yeah.
Wait for some sort of red to form. Because you can't look at, you can't form a bias right now because it's given you, there's no red. Like maybe you could be like, oh, in the 1 minute there's red, but what's the strength of red on a 1 minute? It really...
Oh, mine's 4 hours that I like looking for my...
Yeah, and it's 4 hours just...
Giving me nothing.
So far
it's giving me absolutely nothing. And so is GU, it's giving me nothing.
Patience, young Jedi. Alright, so now I need this 15 to print some sort of red candle. I don't care what it looks like, I just need a red candle.
And then you're selling.
And then I'll just won't do any. Then it'll just give me an opportunity to potentially make a decision. History. May I give you a nice tip, Dan? Yes, I would love a tip. What do you got, history? In the tip jar. Imagine if he's like, can I give you a nice tip? But he actually means like money. He's $4 million.
I think you can do that on Twitch.
Yeah.
Tips.
I entered this morning a trade at oil, US to oil. There is a big gap that had to be filled. You know what they say about gap fills? I think there's a 60% chance that gaps get filled. Is it Brent crude oil? I went in with a 0.1 and now I'm at $100 plus. Oh yeah, here's the gap, yeah. Yeah, wow, that is a big gap, isn't it? Holy shit.
Oh my gosh. That's huge.
Yeah, oil's a fun one to just look at sometimes because it just goes crazy. Let's look at USD GBP.
Why are you looking at USD JPY again?
Yeah, I know I shouldn't. I just see a massive gap there and I'm like, oh.
FOMO.
Yeah. Oh, you're still in it. Nice. Shit, son. I guess you got to figure out when's the opportunity to take partials. Or just hold it forever. Hold it forever like we should have done with gold when we were babies. How silly are we all being in our little cot going, yeah, instead of buying gold down here?
Yeah, damn.
God damn it.
Should have bought a house 50 years ago too.
Legit.
Oh, fuck, my gran was telling me how she bought a house in Sydney that would be worth about 2 mil now for like 30 grand back in the day.
Yeah, crazy, hey? But with that said, the value of money is different as well though.
Yeah.
So that 30 grand is probably like, oh, who knows?
Mil now.
Yeah.
And the one they're in at the moment is, I think we said 120 grand they bought it for, and now it's worth like a mil or something. It's just crazy.
Thanks, history. Appreciate it. I'll catch you later, bro. Catch you later, my G. My G.
I'm still working on getting back to break even, like I have been for the past months. It's a very slow process.
A lot of people would have taken a buy here for a wick fill.
I always wonder what moves it. Is it just lots of people buying at the same time? Is it like just...
Yeah, but it's not retail traders like us. Like us retail traders at home barely make any movement at all. It's like your hedge funds, your banks, these big institutions that actually invest that are the ones that move it. And there's just overall market sentiment. There's fun. I don't necessarily, when it comes to like fundamental concepts that move the market, I don't understand really how. But I do know that these hedge funds and things like that, they have a little bit more data than we do in terms of news and fundamentals, and the ways that it will somewhat affect the market
Yeah.
to be able to make like such big fucking investments.
Yeah.
Aru, fundamentals are already priced in, I think. When big news such as NFP CPI comes out, market moves where it's meant to go either way, just a lot faster. I longed NFP on NQ Friday. Ooh. Oh, did it go long on NFP? On NQ? I know it went short on Goldie. It's always fun to watch news hit. You see the spread open right up. It's even if you're not in it, it's scary.
Yeah.
I watched Raja Banks. He on this NFP here. He took a 20 lot buy position just before NFP hit, and obviously
Really?
it went against him. Yeah, he lost like 10 grand, all live.
You'd more than 10 grand, surely.
Nah, he cut the position before it like went all the way.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, but NQ went to the moon. Fuck yeah. Damn, Aru, you're all in. You're all about the full port and the news trading. That's crazy.
You'll learn the hard way.
Oh, the pain.
Yeah.
I've felt pain on news many times.
I've had it a couple of times go my way. I've been like in a trade and it very nicely.
Mm.
But,
Good man, good man. Very good. Alright, 5 minutes for this 15 to close. Alright, so if this 15 here closes like this, if I can get another one that can break back into this zone, next one wick up and continue down, I'll take a sell there. Or if it can just break, stay above this zone, and then break above these bodies. I'll wait for the next one to wick down. I'll take a buy there. I'll have to wait. Hello, I'm here to help you achieve your social media goals. I think you need improvement. You have a bug. Man, why am I
So
getting
far.
spammed with these freaking scams lately? Does that shit still work where they tell people that you have a bug? It's like, bruh. If you looked at my profile, maybe if I was like Barbara from
Barbara.
Barbara, yeah, but it's like, bro. Yes, please help me fix my Instagram. Here's all my money. Three minutes over here for this 15. The 30 is going to show a big rejection. Yep. Very interesting. Hopefully this can just form a red candle for some sort of support. And that will help give us an opportunity. An hour and a half into London. I'm starting to wonder if thumbnails really matter for a YouTube live video,
Where's that?
or if it looks more intriguing just to kind of check out like with just like, it'd be like a screenshot of basically what the screen is right now kind of thing.
Alright. I don't know. I feel like, yeah, the live streams are just they're very long. It's very, you should make like little videos as well, some shorts too.
Yeah, I've been punching shorts out on my YouTube for sure.
Yeah.
They do. Aru, but like, this is what I think, like, if you're looking at a live stream, you kind of just want to see like what you see in here anyway. Like you want to see this outline of the, someone here on the stream, and when it's like a fancy kind of thumbnail of just like someone like, yeah, it's like, yeah. 19 seconds for this 15 to close. Don't you dare flip bullish. Give us some support, bros. Nice. Nice. Now, in accordance to my plan, I personally can't do anything until this next 15 closes. This next 15 will be potentially a deciding factor.
Yeah.
If it can break back into the zone. I'll look at something like this. Take a sell there.
Sorry, my dog ran in.
What's that?
My dad opened the door for my dog. goat came in.
Oh,
It's alright though.
doggo.
Doggo's gone.
Hmm.
Is that what you want to see?
Sort of, yeah. I'm just such clean range to the left. Just trying to use my brain power. What's this 4 hour doing actually? Let's have a look over here. Fuck, it's only 30 minutes for this 4 hour to close. 27 minutes for this 4 hour. Broke a back above into this range.
So he's still going for buys then?
Say that again?
He's still going for buys?
I don't know until this 15 closes. Unfortunately. I'm thinking I might even call it a day.
So you just took it out today? And then you're done?
Pretty much. Like, I've moved a lot. Like, if what I want to see arises in the next hour, but I've got the 4 hour closing in half an hour, and then I still need to wait 15 after that. So I'm still just going to be waiting around for a while. To be honest.
I mean, I'm probably not looking for anything either, to be honest.
Yeah. Because even if something alright arises here and then, you know, once the 4 hour, the new 4 hour opens, It's unpredictable if it's going to spike up or down straight away to create a wick.
Yeah.
It's like,
Yeah, I'm happy with my one loss of the day, I think. It's just too, yeah, it's too, there's nothing clear for me.
yeah. Yeah. All right, I might call it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna write something up and send it to you
Yeah.
on Word.
One word.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
I'll talk to you in a minute. All right.
Okay.
All right.
So,
Bye. I'm gonna call it there. Still got too long to wait. The 4 hours got a half an hour. I've got like another 45 minutes before I even look at taking something, so there's no point waiting on it on the stream. I'll be back tomorrow.